Hi all, today we'll discuss Mobi Pay Software Private Limited interview questions. So I got this interview details from the one of my friend. So he got the call from LinkedIn and the profile was a full stack developer and the technology was a Java with a Spring Boot microservices, REST, JavaScript, Angular and jQueries and all. And this experience was included based on 1.8 years, so that will be from freshers to 3 to 4 years also will be the same interview process. So these all are the interview process was there, like interview process is system test, technical interview, final technical interview, managerial and HR salary discussion. So first system test was there. So develop a login page with validation with DB. So no restrictions on technology, any technology you want. Suppose if you are working on Java with the Spring frameworks and all, so you need to develop one login page and do the validations with the database insertion, deletion, updations, records and all. If you are doing some Hibernate, Spring Boot microservices features, through that also you can develop the login page validation based on the database operations. So this was the first requirement to generate a system test. Once you cleared the system test, then there was some second round of interview, that is called technical interview was. So technical interview, like how do you handle the exception in your project. So whatever the project you have created, login page validations and all, so in that how do you handle the exception in your project. And the next question is, how about login? Different type log labels, like what all are the different type of log labels. I want to store the logs info in DB. What is your approach for that? So mostly this is all are log label, like what all are the debug log, info log and all. And then the next question is collection A to Z, difference between array, vectors, when to use, which one we have to use, which one choose to set over the list. So there are multiple array list is there, array list, linked list, vectors, stack, set, hash set, linked hash set, map, hash map, tree map, linked hash map, tree sets and all. So these all are the common interview questions anyone they can ask based on the difference between list, set, map, set, array list, linked list and all. And the next question, array list sorting using comparator and comparable. How we will do the array list sorting? By using comparable and comparator. What is the difference between comparable and comparator? And what is transactional and how to achieve transactional? Your approach of solving transactional issue. Can you develop or write a transactional logic where you are doing to solve the transactional issues? And the next question is Java 8 features. What all are the Java 8 features are there? How you will use and where you used? And the next question is, suppose one application is there, you want to log out from the applications. If the screen is ideal for 30 seconds, means if you don't need to do anything for that 30 seconds, it will be redirect in a page and again you need to log in. This approach using JavaScript or jQuery. So how you will handle this? So if you are not doing this screen hover and all, then automatically this screen for the particular second, this screen will show as a logout. So once you will click or hover the screen on this, then you have to log in again. So how you will write this approach in this in your applications? So either you use jQuery and JavaScript. So can you explain the same and how you will do the same? And the next question is database insert query. What is database insert query? What all are those operations we need to perform that? Also next question is difference between inner, left, right join, inner join, left join, right join and all. And the next question is difference between delete, drop and truncate. What is all? So mostly the second round interview which will be covered with Java, Spring Boot, microservices, Java 8, core Java concept, API like REST and all, and database, microservices, Spring Boot and all. So depends on the requirement, but this is for the fresher requirement. So they ask this type of questions in technical, and once the your second round of technical interview clear, then it will be going for the second technical interview, that is called third round, and technical is second. So in that they ask what is Spring IOC, what is inversion of control, when to use, what is dependency injections and all. And then the next question is Spring JDBCs, how we can use Spring JDBCs, what all are the ORM tools are there, when to use, and all object relational models and all. Can you explain MVC flow, Spring MVC flow? And the next question is how do you configure Hibernate configuration file with the different component? And the next question is load and get difference. What is the difference between load and get? So this is the technical round of second. And the next round, once you clear this round, then we'll have a managerial round. So that managerial round will have the details related for your project, what all are the project you work, what all are the concept you are using, where to use. So that's real time things they will ask. So the first question is explain about your project, how you are in your project, what all are the project you are working, what is related from which domain, technology and all. And the next question is draw the class diagram for your project. What is class diagram, how you will draw for that, just overview for this class diagram, you know. And the next question is explain the business of your project, what all are the business for this. And the next question is annotations used in core Java, what all are the annotations used in core Java. There are multiple annotations is there, why we are using particular annotations and all, and when to use, which project and which type of core concept you use this annotations and all. And then why @override, why @override we are using of any entity class, DTO class and all. The next question is do you know how to write the custom annotations, how we will create a custom annotation, what is the custom annotations and all. And the next question is which class is your project are singleton, and explain the singleton. Which classes in your project are singleton, and explain singleton. Method overriding and loose coupling. What is method overriding and loose coupling? Method overriding and loose coupling. Where you use interface in your project. What is interface, where you use interface in your project. Some other more questions they ask, but I don't remember some of that, but these all are related for managerial round of interview questions, which all are the commons based on the project related, mostly they will ask. And once you clear this, then you will have some HR discussions will be there. So HR discussions will cover why do you want to leave this last organization. Suppose if you are having 1 to 4 years of experience in that, so they will ask why do you want to leave this current organizations or last organizations and all. And your salary expectations, lot of bargainings and all will happen based on the salary. And most of the HR discussions also will happen, why you want to leave this organization, what is your positive stance, negative stance and all, what do you want to be a successful person and in next 5 years and all. So there will be multiple interview round of questions will be there for the HR related, but these 2-3 things has been asked one of my friend, so that's why I remember this all and I collected the same. If you want, you can take this reference for this any of the interview questions, but this is for Mobi Pay Software Private Limited, Hyderabad, and the source he got the call from the LinkedIn. So either LinkedIn or Naukri, both are preferred to update your profile. There you will get the job easily. So better I can suggest you go for the LinkedIn, create one profile, and also you can go for the Naukri.com. There you have to update your profile simultaneously, continuously on daily basis, or simultaneously both and continuously daily basis, so that you will get some update or notifications Also you need to alert some jobs customization which is required, which locations and all. So you'll get a call. Once you'll get the call, then you have to prepare for these all patterns just for the interview purpose. Yeah, thank you.